Good morning, students. I am Swati from Oxford High School, Uppagundur. Now, before one problem given, homework given. A cardboard carton can hold 144 bottles. How many bottles can be packed and transported in 1036 such cartons? Okay. First of all, answer we will get write submit your diary before class. No. Okay. So okay. Today I will explain word problem. The capacity of one carton equal to how much? How many bottles? The capacity of one carton equal to 144 bottles. Number of bottles required. Number of bottles required for 1036 such cartons. Such carton, that is equal to 1036 into 144 lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. 1036, 144. One hundred and forty-four we write 100 plus 40 plus 44. Step 1. Step 1, multiplicand what ma? 1036 into 4. 1036 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 3 are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 4 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 1 ja 4. 4144. Step 2. 1036 into 40. 1036 into 40. 0. 4 6 are same. These are right. 4 1 4 4. 4 1 4 4 0. Next, step 3. 1036 into 100. How many zeros we write now? 1036 into 2 zeros. Step 4. These are 3 numbers are added. 4144 plus 4140. 41,440, 1,03,600. That is equal to answer. One by one, given number we write. First step ma 4,144. Next 4,144 0. Next 1,03,600. We add 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 0, 4. 1. Therefore, last step, therefore, 149184. Bottles can packed in 1036 cartons. Therefore, this is last step, ma. First we have to understand a cardboard curtain can hold how many bottles? 144 bottles. A cardboard curtain, one capacity of one curtain equal to how many bottles, ma? 144 bottles. Number of bottles required for 1036 such a curtains. Okay, this is multiplication. Multiplications means 4 digits by 3 digits means answer lakhs. Okay, one by one we write. 144 we write 144. Okay, we will write. Okay, next these are over. Last, therefore 1,49,184 bottles can pack it in 1036 curtains. Okay, have you understand? Next problem, ma. This word problem, 2 problems is there, ma. Example 3. If 525 marble tile can be placed in a box. A flat in building. Building requires 11 boxes of tiles. 11 boxes of tiles. There are 24 flats in that building. How many tiles are required for the whole building. 525 marble tiles can be placed in a box. A flat in a building required 11 boxes of tiles. Ma, this is 2 questions. Okay, this is 2 questions is there. First we have to 525 marble tiles can be placed in how many boxes, ma? 11 boxes. 11 boxes. Product is there. This is multiplication. 525 into 11. Okay, multiplication. First multiplication 525 into 11. We get answer. Okay. Sum is there. Product is there. Next, there are 24 flats. That building, how many are required for whole building? And given question. First, 525 marble samples, how many boxes filled, ma? 11 boxes. Product is there. This product and to 24 plant. Okay, these are two questions, two multiplications. Okay, we will write and submit your diary. You didn't understand means next class I will explain. Okay, thank you today.